How to download Trust Wallet app on iPhone. Hey guys, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch App Store on your iPhone. Then go to Search. Go to the search bar and then search for Trust Wallet. Okay, here we go. Now tap on this application right on top. Now install it. Wait for a while the application is being downloaded. Okay, now after the app has been downloaded, just open it and launch the app. Tap on Get Started. Now as you can see that Trust Wallet app has been downloaded on your iPhone. Now you can use it accordingly. And this was it for today. At last, if you found this video useful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.